Hi everyone, today I am going to take you through O.P. Verma's Objective General Studies from Marksman publication. Let me tell you, this is all you need when you are going to appear for any kind of competitive examination, be it IAS, PCS, RRB, West Bengal PCS and so on, because it covers a huge but required number of topics. Now let's talk about the cover of the book, which says that you can find 21,000 plus MCQs inside the book. Isn't that great? Now moving to the bottom of the cover, it shows the vast variety of topics the book covers, like history of India, Indian national movement, world geography, Indian polity and governance, economic and social development, environment and ecology, general science, general awareness and state general awareness. Now let me give you a preview of content section. There's this one thing about the book which is again great. It doesn't only cover the topics section wise but also chapter wise. I'll show you how. This is the content section. Just like I said, it doesn't only cover the topics section wise but also chapter wise, just like this one, section 1, history of India, which is divided into so many chapters. Stone Age, Indus Valley Civilization and Culture, Vedic Age, Buddhism, which comes under ancient history. Then there is this medieval history, which again covers a lot of chapters. Just like this section, there is section 2, Indian national movement, which covers almost 46 chapters. And then comes the section world geography, which talks about earth, rocks, volcano, earthquake, continents and so on. Then comes the section 4, Indian geography. Here you can get all the information regarding the Indian geography, like standard time, extreme points, bordering countries, natural region of India and so on. Now section 5 covers Indian polity and governance, giving you all the required information, all the knowledge about the Indian politics. And then comes the section 6, economy and social development. Under this section you are going to find information, knowledge regarding the budget, fiscal policy, finance commission, stock exchange and so on. Then comes the section 7, environment and ecology. After that comes the section 8, general science, which is an important section and is divided into pre-sections: physics, computer and information technology, chemistry and biology. Then comes the section 9, general awareness, again an important topic. Section 10, state general awareness. Now I'm going to show you how the book looks like, how the MCQs are given inside the book. So this is how the book looks like. This is how the content looks like. Now talking about the price of the book, which is 550, and also you can easily buy it from a nearby store, or you can buy it online from Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal, which makes it easily accessible for you. I must say you should definitely check this one out, as there have been huge number of questions covered from this book in previous examinations. You can also check out Vastunisht Samanya Gyan, which is Hindi version. There are around 60 questions of BPSC paper which were from the same book. Also, if you are not able to purchase the book, you can drop a comment in the comment section and we will make sure that you get the access to book. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much. Stay safe.